guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another keto update. So I've been on the keto diet since January 5th, I think it was. Let's see, January 6th. So today it is February 2nd, so we're almost a month in. So last week I weighed in at, I think, 180.0. And I weighed in this week at 179.6 or 179.4. I forgot which one it was. So I lost a little bit less than a half of a pound, but I'm in the 170s. So that's what I'm excited about this week. So yeah, that was my progress. And I'll go ahead and share with you guys my side-by-side of what I looked like in my swimsuit before we started versus what I look like now. So definitely losing fat. One, I can tell in my like boob area because my bra cups are like swimming on me now. So I know I'm losing fat there. And just overall, I don't feel as bloated anymore. And overall, I think that my body is slowly shedding the fat. But we are only in less than a month so far. So yeah, you can see a little bit of results, but I probably won't see some major results until next month probably, because I just recently started getting back into my fitness routine. So last week I left you guys off with I wanted to run at least twice and go to kickboxing twice. So I met my kickboxing goal and my running goal, and I added in an additional running day. So I ran three days this week, and then I did kickboxing twice. So some of the days I actually doubled my exercise to where I ran in the afternoon and then I went to kickboxing in the evening. It's raining again here. It's supposed to be raining for like the next 5 days, something like that. So I'm gonna have to get creative with my workout. So this is where we're at during the week. The only time I really cheated on my diet was on Tuesday when I was craving an apple. And if my body's craving an apple, I'm just gonna eat the apple because at the end of the day, it's a piece of fruit. So it's not like I went and got a donut. So if I'm craving an apple, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat that apple. So now I'm actually going to talk to you guys about something that I'm gonna be doing next week. So you guys know that I have, well, maybe you don't know if you are new to my channel, but I used to do Weight Watchers is what I used to do. And I have been looking at the differences between keto and Weight Watchers. And a lot of the items on Weight Watchers are 0 to low points if they have little to no carbs. So what I'm gonna do next week, just to see which one I like the most, I might actually do this 2 or 3 weeks at a time to really grasp how much better I like the plan, because I love Weight Watchers in the sense that you have some free points to where you can eat whatever you want and not feel like you've gone off the plan. You can have as much fruit as you want, you can have as much vegetables as you want, so you don't have to count the quantities of the fruit and vegetable and all that stuff. So I would really like to bring back fruit into my diet because it's something that I really do miss. But in terms of keeping the breads out and the chips out and the crackers, like I'm totally fine with that. And those confined carbohydrates on Weight Watchers are higher in points, so I wouldn't really be interested in spending my Weight Watcher points doing that anyway. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and track through the Weight Watcher app for the whole week and kind of do a hybrid of keto Weight Watchers style. So that's what I'm going to be implementing this week. I also like that you get extra points when you exercise through the Weight Watchers. So if I'm hungry after workouts, then I don't have to feel like I can't eat. Something that I have been feeling on the keto diet is I've been feeling very restricted to where if I was hungry, I would look at my macros and see if I had anything left, and I would opt to not eat. I would opt to not listen to my body if my body was hungry that day. So I'm gonna go ahead and implement the Weight Watchers side to see how I like it. So since I got myself into the 170s, I decided to go ahead and treat myself. So in terms of treating myself to a meal or like a dessert or something like that, I decided to go ahead and just treat myself to some workout gear because I have been working out a lot more. I've been attending kickboxing, so I went ahead and tried out Fabletics. So my mall has a freestanding store, so I went ahead and got a few things in there. And I am brand new to Fabletics, so I had no clue about their like deals and stuff, but they have a membership to where if you sign up, then you can get 2 of their leggings for $24, I think it is. So it makes them like 12 bucks each. And what the associate was telling me is if the next month, if I didn't want to get anything, then I could just skip that month and I could keep skipping if I wanted to. So I'm like, all right, I'll just go ahead and sign up for that. So I got 2 different leggings. So I got this blush colored pair and then I got this burgundy colored pair. I was getting sick of my same old black leggings, so I went ahead and picked up the Fabletics. I've read really good reviews about it too, so I picked up 2 of those. So these were $24. And then after signing up to be a member, then everything else that I bought was 30% off. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up. So I also wanted to pick up a few more sports bras because running and kickboxing are high impact workouts. So I went ahead and got some maximum support sports bras. So this was 30% off, and then I got a second one in like a blush. It's kind of like a blush hybrid between a blush color and a pink color, and then the padding inside the bra you can go ahead and just take out. I always take the padding out. And then I found this workout tank that I really liked. On the back of it, it says kick butt, look cute, repeat. So it says kick butt, look cute, and repeat. So it goes all the way down. And then it has a really wide armpit area right here. And then it's just plain white in the front. And then all 3 of these items were 30% off. So everything I got in total, I got 5 workout items for under $100, and that is a really good deal because the leggings by itself are like 59 something. So their intro to their membership, anyone can get 2 leggings for 24. So I'll have a link below if you guys want to check them out and sign up. I would highly recommend you do. And just remember, you can just go ahead and skip months. So that is what I did to treat myself for being back on keto for a month. So next week, my goal, I want to push myself, and I really want to try to lose at least 2 pounds. That's what my goal, that's what I'm reaching for. And I'm really needing to focus on losing some fat in my thighs and my butt, because those jeans that I've been trying on, the waist fits me, but it's the legs and the butt. So I'm gonna be doing more exercises to target those areas and really focus on shedding the fat from that area of my body. And I want to go ahead and increase 1 more kickboxing class. So I'd like to take kickboxing 3 days a week, and I would like to run 4 times this week. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to do that. I've really been chugging the water. I've also been implementing some changes in my diet. So this whole entire time I've been doing eggs and bacon in the morning. So what I think I'm gonna do, instead of having 4 eggs and 4 bacon, that's what I have every single morning, I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch it and do eggs and maybe half of an avocado and get some healthier fat in me instead of going with the bacon, because I know the bacon is kind of like a dirty keto version of things to do. Or I might just cut back and do 2 slices of bacon and half of an avocado. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. And then I'm also gonna be watching the heavy whipping cream as well. So I went ahead and just switched to half and half instead of heavy whipping cream because it's a little better. But I'm going to keep the full fat half and half for sure. So I think I might just keep the heavy whipping cream to maybe the weekends and see how that works. So I'm gonna try to tweak a little bit in my diet, but I am gonna implement some fruits. But when I do eat fruits, I'm gonna be eating them in the morning. I'm not gonna be eating fruits in the evening time, and I'm gonna make sure that my workouts are after I have fruit. So I'm excited to get smoothies back in my life because I have missed smoothies so much. And you can use regular Greek yogurt, like plain Greek yogurt. That is keto-friendly food. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and comment below where you are in your weight loss journey, because I would love to hear and I would love to support you as well. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Saturday. Stay dry if you are in Southern California and experiencing all the wet. Stay warm if you are in the Arctic area up north where the crazy cold is going on. And I will talk to you guys all later, and happy Super Bowl. Bye.